Good morning, little Bantam chicks. Why aren't you sleeping under your brooder? They were kind of clumped up like that last night, so I lifted the brooder up higher. It's still warm, so I don't know why they don't want to be under it, but they're all snug together, so they must have gotten a little chilly. We got them fresh water and their feed filled up, so they should be good for the day. Good morning, guys. The chickens didn't waste any time this morning. They got out into the grass before I could even think about shutting the door. These girls are already over clear behind the big barn. It's okay, you can go over there. It's where I want you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, bunnies. Good morning, honey. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Sorry, was I taking too long? I never forget about you. Good morning, Dove. You two girls are supposed to be going outside. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Honey has his fresh water, more hay, and more Timothy pellets. I filled up the girls' Timothy pellets, water, and their hay was already full. So I think they're good to go for the day. See you guys later. Be nice. The chickens are doing a good job today, going in the right direction, so hopefully they keep going that way and let their grass grow in their run. I'm coming to clean your coop, guys. Here's what we're starting with. And I've only got 2 girls in here with me today. The girls' coop is clean. Now we'll collect their eggs. Have any eggs under you, lady? Oh, no eggs under her. Any eggs? Ow! That was mean. Stop. Don't fight me. Let's see if she has any eggs. No eggs for her. Why are you being so mean? Have a good day. Felicia, are you ready to come clean the coop with me? Let's go. Here's what we're starting with in here. Thanks for coming to help me, Felicia. Nugget's over here keeping watch over Colonel. Buddy, I'm gonna have to take her eggs even if you're here. I'll let her keep them a little while longer while I clean up, okay? Bantam area's ready for bedtime. Now we'll collect their eggs. All right, Colonel. I know, but you can't have eggs. Thank you. Do you have any more, sister? Thank you. I'm sorry. You want to get out and come play? I brought Colonel out, so hopefully she'll come out here and enjoy the sunshine for a little while. We're coming out now to scoop these girls' stalls. Looks like some of them are still snacking. A few of them are enjoying the sunshine. We got the girls' area cleaned, so now we'll bring their treat balls in. See if they notice them. There you go. And now we'll give Honey his. There you go, buddy. I came to dump the cow bedding, and the girls decided they needed to roost up on the wagon while I was filling their water. You girls are silly. Majority of the bantams are under the brooder now, so I don't know why they weren't sleeping under it last night. And these big kids are up on the roost. So big. Laven and Luca are going to work on trailer training with the little girls. The big girls are a little bit annoyed about it. We'll give you a turn, maybe. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Ember. Oh, good girl, Ember. Good girl. Does she have a treat? Good girl. Did you see that? We're trying. Loosen her thing. Good girl, Ember. Good girl. See if you get it. Good girl, Ember. Is that good? Let's try you. Come on, Harlow. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Harlow. Oh, golly. All right, Harlow, you almost made it. Come on, good girl. It's an all-team participation, but we did get Harlow up on the trailer twice. We're gonna consider that a win. She wasn't a fan, but we're gonna keep giving her treats and working on it. Ember did a pretty good job too for taking the whole winter off, but we're gonna keep practicing with her too. So we have found that Ember's favorite thing to eat are the wild onions that are growing. So she's gonna have some stinky breath tonight. Sorry about you, Harlow. So Dove was a pro last season. We're gonna see if she remembers how to do it. Yep. Let's go. You didn't forget. Good job, good girl. Good girl. All right, come on off, Dove. Good girl. Oh, don't even need a treat. For various reasons, I've come in and out of this barn today, and every time I open the door, these chickens come running over. So I'm finally gonna give them what they want. A little bit of scratch. And down here too. Here they come. Gonna throw some to the bantams too. There you go, guys. Got the bantam chicks bedding changed, refilled their water. Starting to get stinky, so had to get them changed up. I feel like it's time for them to either go out to the cow barn until we can find someone to buy them, or go into the bantam area in their cage if we're gonna keep them, because they are mess makers. Gonna have a fight, guys? Well, our chickens broke the rules and went over into the neighbor's yard. Not just a few of them. Thanks, Luca. It's a good day for the chickens. Tomorrow I'm getting a grocery pickup, so we're going to give them some of the produce that none of my kids ate. Hold on, duck. Come back this way. Come back this way. I've got some good stuff for you. I figured that the celery and lettuce would bring her back. We moved the Bantam chicks out into the barn, so they're gonna have to get used to cow sounds. And hopefully we'll find a new home for them pretty soon. Girls all think it's bedtime. They heard me out in the barn, so they came running. You guys still have an hour to play outside. Go play, okay? No treats. No treats, Atlee. The kids and I cleaned up all the hay so that this area can dry off before it storms a bunch again. That's coming up. So hopefully this will all dry out tomorrow before it rains a bunch and be a good spot to put their feet again. Ember's coming in hot. Hello? Are you girls ready for bed? Just a second. Come on in. Good job, girls. I was a little bit worried that the cows would get distracted by these girls and not go into their stalls, but they did a good job. I bet they'll be more distracted in the morning. You're okay, girls. You're safe. You're safe. Yep, I filled up your feed. Honey's just over here relaxing. Well, now he's not, because I came to visit him. Honey keeps flipping his hay pellets into his water, so even though this is a pink feeder over here, we're gonna try... Hey buddy, you can't leave. We're gonna try his water in a separate area than his feed and see if that doesn't solve the problem and keep his water cleaner, because we have switched it 3 times today. All right, girls, are you ready for your treats? It's been a while since we had bamboo sticks. Hallie, yours is right here. Honey, are you ready for yours? Oh, you had food in your mouth, didn't you? I'll set it right here. There's a reason why we have to put these locks on as soon as we come in. The Bantams have put themselves to bed, so now it's time to close them up. Good night, guys. The ducks saw me coming, so they started to put themselves to bed. All the way in, girls. Everyone else is up on the roost, so we're gonna close them up. Good night, guys. We're glad that it was warm enough today that we got to spend some time with the animals. Tomorrow doesn't look like it's gonna be a very good day. Everyone's been loved on and given their treats, and now they're all tucked into bed. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.